us solve this numerical. So here, according to data, what is data given? Angle of incidence is 48 degree. A prism, a refracting angle A equal to 60 degree suffers minimum deviation. So here minimum deviation delta minimum. Okay, this one have to remember. So condition is that I equal to E, and here calculate this angle of minimum deviation. So delta minimum to find out. What is delta minimum to find out? Okay, so here we have the formula A plus delta equal to I plus E. So here I plus E, here we can take this one equal to 2I, and here A plus delta. So delta equal to 2I equal to 48 degree minus A equal to 60 degree. So 96 minus 60, so it will be 36 degrees. So what we are getting? Delta minimum equal to 36 degree, where angle of incidence is 48 degree. Second question is, what should be the angle of incidence? So angle I equal to how much? For a ray of light which suffers minimum deviation of 36, so here delta minimum equal to 36 degree through an equilateral prism. So equilateral prism is A equal to 60 degree. Again let us go for the formula. So A plus delta equal to I plus E. So this one becoming 2I. Okay, A equal to 60 and delta equal to 36 degree. Okay, so 2. So here let us take this one equal to I is equal to 96 degree. So I equal to 96 by 2, 48 degree. Okay, this one will be the answer here. For 48 degree angle delta minimum equal to 36 degree. So next question is a color of yellow color. So yellow color light incident on an equilateral glass prism of angle equal to 60 degree. Obviously angle A will be 60 degree. And here angle of incidence equal to 48 degree, and here it is one thing it is specified, it suffers minimum deviation by the angle of here. So here it is given delta minimum equal to 36 degree. Delta minimum equal to 36 degree, and here as it is written minimum deviation, that is why from here we will get the concept I equal to E. So what is that one? That one will be 48 degree. So first bit it is the what is the angle of emergence, as it suffers minimum angle of deviation, that is why E equal to 48 degree. Then if the angle of incidence change to 30 degree and 60 degree. So here let us go for the second concept. Here I is given to us 48 degree and delta minimum equal to 36 degree. This is the data given to us. So let us go for this one. So here this is your delta and this one equal to I. And here let us draw the graph. From here only we will able to understand. So this is the minimum angle of deviation. This minimum angle equal to this one we have taken. This is equal to 36 degree. And for whom? This one equal to 48 degree. Angle I equal to 48. Delta equal to 36 degree. Okay. Then here it is asked if that angle of incidence change to 30 degree. So it is 40 degree. So if I am coming here, this one will be 30 degree. Yes. So angle of incidence change to 30 means what? Here let us expand that one. Here let us expand. Where it is? It is coming here. So it will be more than 36. So that one will be second bit. When I changes to angle I changes to 30 degree, then angle of deviation is, so here delta equal to more than 36 degree. Hope you understand this one. See here I have taken, okay, then next bit, here it is when I changes to 60 degree. So if it is 60 degree, so here 48, so this one let it be 60 degree. So for 68, how much it will be? It is going here. Okay, so obviously here it is 36, more than 36. So delta, again it will be more than 36 degree. Hope you understand. From the graph it is clear only.